Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial series of Raspberry Pi Pico. Today we are going to see about the analog pins of Raspberry Pi Pico and how we can convert the analog data to the digital using the analog to digital converter of Raspberry Pi Pico. This here is the Raspberry Pi Pico and there are three analog pins here which you can see there. This pin is GP26 27 and here is the GP28. This GP26 is called A0, 27 is A1, GP28 is A2. These three pins are actually 12-bit of ADC, which means there will be 4096 quantization levels. So to convert, first of all we will read the analog data and then we will see how we can convert the analog to digital conversion. And for that I am going to use a 10 kilo ohm of potentiometer with this Raspberry Pi Pico. Here is the circuit. I have interfaced a potentiometer, a 10 kilo ohm of potentiometer with Raspberry Pi Pico. I have interfaced this potentiometer to the GP28 pins. And now I am going to connect this using a micro USB like this. First of all, press this boot cell button and then connect this. And now in this screen you can see that this window is pop up. And now I am going to open Thorny here because I am going to program this using MicroPython. And now hit install here so that the MicroPython for Raspberry Pi Pico can be installed. It is done, as you can see here. If you need to find the COM port, you can see here at the COM 4 and then close. Okay, so I have already written the code here which I have saved on the computer also and on the Raspberry Pi Pico also. I am going to open from the Raspberry Pi Pico the sensor. The code is with the name of adc.py. So here is the code. First of all you need to import machine and then import uTime so that you can generate a delay. This here is the analog value which I am defining a variable here with the name of analog value, which is the machine.adc28, because I have interfaced the potentiometer with the GP28 of the Raspberry Pi Pico. While true is for infinite loop, and then I have I have written here a variable called reading where I will store the analog value of this Raspberry Pi Pico here, which is connected at the pin 28 of Pico. So to read the analog value of the potentiometer, I have written here analog underscore value dot read underscore U16 parenthesis. And then after that I have just printed out this statement for print out the ADC value, and then since I have stored the analog value to the variable reading, I am printing out the reading with a delay of 0.4 second. And now let's run this and see if it shows the result or not. Here you can see that the ADC value is 31,000 and something, but the maximum value it should read is 4096, because as I mentioned that it is a 12-bit of ADC. Raspberry Pi Pico has only 12-bit of ADC. And let me just tune this potentiometer more, and now you can see that the minimum value is 272 and the maximum value here is 65,535, which is equivalent to the 16-bit of ADC. I actually don't know the reason behind this, because this Raspberry Pi Pico only has 12-bit of ADC. If you know the reason, please mention in the comment section and let me know. So in this way you can actually read the analog value of any sensor and then you can convert the analog value to your desired data. So now I am going to show you how we can actually use the same method, same analog to digital converter to read the temperature sensor of Raspberry Pi Pico. This Raspberry Pi Pico has one inbuilt temperature sensor, and now I am going to show you how you can actually program this temperature sensor and read the temperature. Now I am going to read the temperature sensor from the which is already inbuilt in the Raspberry Pi Pico, and here is the code to read the temperature from the Raspberry Pi Pico. The code is almost same, but there is a conversion factor. Actually, this conversion factor is the analog to digital conversion, because there is the logic value of 3.3 volt, and this is the 16 bit of quantization level. As I already mentioned that there is only 12 bit of ADC with the Raspberry Pi Pico, but since you also saw that the data of the analog reading was equivalent to the 16 bit, so I am converting it with the 16 bit here, and then this one is the same here to read the sensor temperature with and storing the value to a variable called reading, and then this one is here to convert the reading to the digital value to the temperature value. Okay, this one is the actual conversion of the digital value to the temperature, and then I'm just going to print the temperature here and with the delay of 0.1 second. Now let's run this code and see that it is showing you that the temperature is 27 point something. Now I'm going to change the temperature by showing the heat here, and now you can see that the temperature is actually increasing. In this way you can also implement any other sensor, analog sensor as well as any digital sensor with the Raspberry Pi Pico to build your project. If you have any doubt or any suggestion, please comment down in the comment section. Thank you.